this is what my car looks like now. To give you another idea of how it looks like right now, where all the problems were, here's another picture that I'm gonna show you. So here's where the wiring problems were found there. That red circle says problems where wiring were found, if you can't read it. So that's where they were. For 300 bucks, that's what they found there. So Yowed, back to you with that video you just recorded.
Well, I just got it back from the shop, and it's running fine now. I just got the work order here, and I'll tell you what it says. Come with me. Let's see here.
Premium Plus Automotive. Let's see here. We got shop supplies here. You got vehicle turns over but will not start. Diagnose no start. Check fuel pressure none. Disconnect inertia switch. Turnkey. Check for power going to the switch none. Check power at fuel pump relay at PCM none available. Check fuses all okay. All wires, connectors, and all that. So it sounds like a wiring problem. And exactly what it is. Repair pinched and corroded wires in right front bumper. Start run vehicle, everything is working at this time. But look at the price. Ouch. $341 for that? Damn, things are getting expensive. Oh well. I'm going to be broke for the next couple days.
So there you have it. My Crown Victoria is now fixed. It's running great. So that's it. So, yow it out for now. See ya.